Hey, me and my mom, we already did all the stuff. I'm just going over everything that we did today. So it's garden time. So these are my mom's flowers. They were in the front of the house. So moved them to the back of the house for germination purposes and whatnot. Because when you have flowers, they bring more bees and stuff. Y'all see them flying around? I don't know if y'all can see them. They just flying, hovering. Okay. But yeah, flowers make it a lot easier to germinate the plants and stuff. These are the food particles and everything like that. What is that? I have no idea. But yes. Okay. But yes, these are going to be growing back. The flowers, like pretty much all of these are growing back. Like this is sweet mint right here. This is already on its way growing back. These little green parts right here. I might clip some of the stems and just put them back in there. It all depends. Because if it just starts growing through like these are and everything just starts growing through, I won't have to. But yeah, like this black and white, the little black and white specks and stuff like that. That is eggshell and coffee. I have made some videos showing you guys how I grind up my eggshells and coffee grinds. So they're used coffee grinds. So if you want to do that, then yes, I highly suggest it. It is a great fertilizer tool. But let me see. Bruh, the fairies are just out. If you happen to see some fairies, then cool. I might point them out if they get in the camera, but I've been seeing them all day. What is this one? This is a perennial Astra pink balloon flower, and I think this is the blue balloon flower. This one is a red dianthus. This one is white garura, something like that. I'm trying to pronounce it. God in Control said, I'm waiting on the end result. Zen said, what's up, my girl Keep? Okay. Peace and unity, y'all. But yeah, I mean, you know, everything's going to be sprouted back up when it's springtime. Like, this is getting ready to be springtime. If you pay attention to astrology, we are in Pisces season currently. And after Pisces season, that's the end of the year, okay? Then the beginning of the new year is Aries season. Aries season starts off spring, and that's in March. Yeah, I don't know exactly what date, but it's in the middle of March. Sanchez Houston says, you so beautiful. Thank you. Zen said, peace, goddess. Kay said, energy, because yes, energy. But I gotta tell y'all something funny. Right here used to be my special plant. Bruh. My mom, she threw away the weed plant. So I will tell you what happened. It was starting to grow, but just like these, it stopped growing when it got too cold. So it looked like little twigs, but it was small. So it didn't look like anything. So she just grabbed the soil out of it, started throwing it in the other plant. She was like, oh, this didn't grow. I was like, wait, Mom, what is that? And she was like, what you mean? I was like, was it in the little black pot? She was like, yeah. I was like, Mom, no. And she was like, wait, what was in it? I was like, me and my brother, we were planting a plant. And she was like, oh, what kind of plant was it? She was like, oh, well. And it was just so funny. I was like, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna have to ask him for another seed, but I got a Reggie seed already in there. And so when we get his seeds, I'll put them on the other side. So yeah. This is sweet mint. I'm gonna use this a lot. Because it's like, your herbs are very good for manifestation and like rituals and spells and stuff. And like I put them in my spiritual baths. BXBTV1 said, I think March 20th. Okay. Javon Lloyd says, peace, 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 goddess, peace. Zen said, when does Aries season start? BXBTV1, he said he thinks it's March 20th. So, yeah, it's around that time. This is like cabbage, cauliflower, and carrots. I know the carrots are in here. This is cauliflower in here, I believe. I think, yeah. This stood pretty good in the winter months. I think. I don't know what that is. I don't know. That might be cauliflower too. This is jalapeno. Oh yeah, and this is ghost pepper. This is a jalapeno plant. This is the hot banana pepper plant. We haven't put anything in the swimming pools yet, simply because my mom's getting some more seeds and she wants to put those things in there. And she has some other seeds like already planted inside the house, and she's gonna remove them and put them outside in here. Bell pepper, and tomato. And my mom planted some strawberries in there. And then these are the babies that are all coming up. Those are all seeds. And so, yes, that is what is going on so far. I'm going to show you what happened with the compost. Oh, don't move! Where you going? He trying to leave. He trying to leave. Come back. Come back. This just hit me in the face. Ow! He just hit me. What just happened? What just happened? I was just trying to show you guys what happened with the compost. Oh my goodness. I got attacked by a tree. My compost container is running away. I don't know what's happening. Why is there trash back here? It's a gosh darn ice cream cup back here. Hold on, before I even show you that, I gotta throw this away because I don't even know how it got back there. Our dumpster is all the way on the other side of the yard. There's a whole fence in the midst of all this area, so I don't even know how this got back there. Like, I'm low-key irritated, but I'm gonna try to ignore it, but I can't. There's a butterfly. Third butterfly I've seen today. And my dad's back. My father has returned. Hello, how's everyone doing? I hope you're having a great day. I might need to put my solar panel up because I have like these lights. Let me make sure my lip not bleeding. Okay, because that branch hit me in the face, bro. That hurt. What the fuck is your problem? Because that's a safety hazard at this point. Can't trust you. Okay, just this. I guess this is okay. That's fine, I guess. But anyway. That's what my compost was. It was like a bunch of vegetables and fruit and stuff in there. So, what happened was I moved it over here. We dug a hole. There was some compost in there previously, but we dug a hole. Put all of the extra stuff in there, the vegetables and all the compost in there. Then there was some soil in the swimming pools that we weren't using anymore. So that's what this is. This is the soil that's on top of it. And that's like the dirt that I dug up. So yeah. And these little paper thingies, that is from the coffee grinds. I use coffee grinds. I just sat it down there so it can decompose altogether. So yes. Yes. It's garden time. And so next, my mom's gonna get some more seeds. sometime next week. It's supposed to rain. So all we did, why is this crooked?